Guys, we're back with another installation video, and today we're working on this 2016 C71 Sierra. Today we're replacing the front two struts with the coils already inverted into them, and we're adding a set of new spacers because the old spacers that this truck had were no good. It did have the rough country kit on there, and it has the rough country upper control arm. The reason why we actually took apart the truck was because the shocks were making noise and they're pretty bad already, so it was time to replace them. It's pretty much torn apart right now. Took off the tie rod, took off the top ball joint. The 4x4 is still on there. The sway bar link is still on there. The brake caliper is still on there. Nothing too difficult. Just take some time to do. And once it's done, it's gonna ride a lot better. It's not gonna make any more noise. So this is a new spacer that we're gonna put on there. It's a 3-inch spacer. Now normally when we install these with the new strut and the new spring, the new spring itself will actually raise it up a little bit higher than a factory spring. So normally with the stock strut and the 3-inch spacer you get the 3 inches, and with this spring itself or the strut assembly itself will actually pick it up another 1/2 inch to 3/4. So just keep that in mind. is, guys. It's got brand new spacers, brand new spring, brand new strut. It has the rough country upper control arm. It is a 4-wheel drive. Got the axles right there. Everything's tightened, torqued. And I'll show you guys what it looks like once it's finally done. So when you put these on, this is originally the front, but since the spacer is flipped, the bolts are flipped. See how it's a triangle like that? Now the triangle is flips upside down. So what we're gonna do is basically just flip the strut like that. So now the front bolt is still in the front. You don't have to cut none of this or anything like that. So it should just sit on there. Pretty good. Alright guys, so this is how she finally came out. We've got the new spacers under there, the new struts, and hopefully everything rides real good now. Pretty good looking truck. We're about to go test drive it. The alignment should be the same because it really didn't change too much, but in case if it did, we'll just realign it, no big deal. But yeah, you guys need any kind of work like this or any kind of questions that you guys have, you can guys look us up on Instagram. It'll be real easy for you to look us up, so we'll leave the link down below. Make sure that if you guys want to see more stuff like this, you subscribe and like the video, and that'll just motivate us to make more videos like this. We got a couple other stuff coming out soon, so hopefully you guys are able to check it out. Make sure you press that notification bell so you get the notifications when we post a video. Alright, see you on the next one.